Alright, so welcome back to another course challenge. Today we're doing another JavaScript challenge. So it's called strip comment, and then I'm using my Mac QuickTime screen recorder. Hopefully this time will work, but if it doesn't, well, then that's just sad. So complete the solution so that it strips out the text that follows any set of comments, markers passed in. Any white space at the end of the line should also get stripped out. Alright, so for example, apples, pears, hash mark, and bananas, grapes, banana, colon apples, and then should get rid of it. So you can see we have something like this. So it's going to give us an array marker, so we know what it is, and then yeah, basically it's going to strip the comments out. Alright, so what we'll do, I immediately have an idea, is first is we need to strip by \n because \n is create a new line. So you can do something like this. So we could say input equals input.split \n, and then print out input. Okay. Alright, so you get rid of the \n, and then what I want to do is start to loop through this. So for let I equals 0, I less than markers.length. So we need to create a nested loop. The first thing we will loop through is the markers, and then here I say for let j equals 0, j less than input.length, and then j plus plus. And then here I can say something like so now basically I will get this, and then I want to go ahead and create a new string. And then here what I can say is so let's go print out the markers as well so we can do a comparison. Okay, so now what I want to do is get rid of this part. So in here I could say markers bracket I. So I can say input bracket j dot split by this, and then essentially I want to go ahead and append this to the new string. So we're gonna use push. Okay, not exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, it should be first. So 0. Okay, so it didn't quite work out fantastically. It didn't quite work out pretty well. Because what should happen is it get rid of this, correct, pierce, right? And then wait, why do I have it twice? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. I don't want to push it just yet. So I could switch this. So I can say input and markers. So now basically in here, I could say stir equals this. Input is I, split by marker j. And then we want to kind of like keep doing this. So we can say if length of stir.length is not equals to 0, and basically do this. So input I anymore, stir, else is input I. Okay, and then at the end of this loop, I want to go ahead and push this stir. Apples, plums, pears, orange. QUE. Okay, it looks it's working. So now I'm just going to say dot. So in here, then what we could say is, I think we're gonna use drawing. So like dot drawing new stir. And then so new stir is the response, the answer that's stripped the comment out. And then let's take a look at new stir. Drawing is not a function. Join an array JavaScript. Oh, okay. This is probably like some Python syntax. Let's start to mess everything up. Let's see. Stir.join. \n. Let's try to return new stir. Okay, so I think we can use strip or something. Get rid of trailing space in JavaScript. Trim, okay. Dot trim. What's the difference? This is the answer. This it had a space. So mine like have a space. And then we want to get rid of the space as well. Okay, then essentially we need to add a trim here, I think. So it's going to get rid of the trailing space. A DAO is going to pass. Where is it? Well, I guess now we're past the test. And then, yeah, I got 336 kata. Alright, that's unexpectedly pretty simple. And then, let me go remove these. Remove these comments. And then, yeah, that's basically what he does. So let me just do a high-level overview of what he does. Basically, first split by the backslash n, which is new line. Then create a new array that's going to store the new string that's we created. And then we're going to use a nested loop. First is we're going to loop through the markers, and then we loop through the input first, then we loop through the marker, and then we basically split by the markers, and then we basically push this to the array with trim the value, and then join this using backslash n, and then return trim, and then let's submit. And yes, we are done. Wow, using regex is much faster. And reduce regex. Alright. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please feel free to like and subscribe if you want to. And I put some personal link if you want to support this channel there. Some Discord and donation link. And then if you want to, please join my 30 subs raffle as well. And then I will have some surprise going to be launching once I reach 100 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. Alright, thanks for watching, see you next time.